You just drove under a lake. The boat above had no clue. A boat is sailing, a car is driving. Same 25 meters, right now. Water above, road below. Neither one stops for the other, ever, not once. Cars below, boats above. A swan just landed on a moving car's roof. 3 meters of lake water above a car. One wall keeps them apart. 400,000 people, one crossing, one crazy idea. 30 years of chaos finally fixed.
Someone sketched this in 1990. Everyone laughed. They built it anyway. Watch.
One sailboat stopped 28,000 cars for 15 minutes. Every single day. Summer, a boat every 20 minutes. Traffic jams before 8 a.m. for 30 years. Flevoland, 400,000 people. One road to the mainland, one drawbridge, one daily disaster. Flevoland, seabed in 1968, 400,000 people by 1998. One broken drawbridge between them.
Tunnel, too expensive. High bridge, too disruptive. New drawbridge, same problem. Aqueduct, yes.
A boat here adds 0 extra weight. Archimedes proved that. 2,200 years ago. They presented a water bridge to the Dutch government. 3 meetings. Then, approved. Build it. Cheapest option, the most insane one. Tunnel cost 3 times more. Aqueduct 1. 1998. Drawbridge still lifting behind those engineers. They're already replacing it. Go. Spring 1998. Site fences up. Cranes arriving. The lake has no idea what's coming yet. Before one pile is driven, every depth is measured, every centimeter mapped. First core sample, soft gray silt. Change the foundation plan. Day 1.
Squeeze this, water runs out. They built a road under this material.
Extend the banks into the lake, create a dry box, build inside it. Fill pushed into the lake from both sides. It got smaller every day. Problem 1. The embankments kept sliding. Soft silt underneath couldn't hold the fill in place. Geotextile fabric on the lakebed first. Spreads the load. Sliding stopped. Embankments met in the middle. Lake split. Work zone sealed. Day 60. Steel piles driven through 8 meters of silt. 19 meters of wall forming. Pile stopped at 6 meters. Hit buried sand. The soil data missed it. Switched to impact hammer. Percussion broke through the sand. The pile hit depth. Problem done.
Original 1998 steel wall. Still holding back the Veluemir. 26 years.
Pumps start. Water drops. Lake floor appears. No air here for centuries. That mud held centuries of Dutch sailing history. Old anchors, all removed.
A dry construction site surrounded by lake water on every side. Still amazes me.
Well points installed around the perimeter. Groundwater drawn down. The boils stopped. Dry site restored. Digging a road 3.5 meters below the lake. Inside a lake. In 1999. That worker's head, 3.5 meters below the lake. Water right behind the wall. Excavation base too soft. CPT test failed. Couldn't carry the structure. Start over. Dug out the soft base. Replaced with compacted gravel. Test passed. Continue.
Gravel under my feet. Water above me. Everything in between had to be perfect.
Blinding concrete first. Not structural, just a clean dry surface. Waterproofing goes on this. 2 membrane layers, every joint welded twice. 1 pinhole floods the road below. A tracked excavator reversed over the membrane. 600mm tear. Found in inspection, before concrete. Fortunately, cut out. Patch extended 300 millimeters each side. Flood tested. Signed off. No shortcuts. Rebar cover maintained precisely. Too thin, and the steel rusts inside. Forever. 8 hours continuous. No stopping allowed. Air pocket cracks the base slab. Never stop. Fresh concrete generates heat. Too much in cold Dutch air, and the surface cracks. 0.15 millimeters crack in the base slab. Exactly at the limit. Decision time.
Every joint individually signed off. One fails, and water enters the road below.
Wrong wall position means boats hit it. Every crossing. Forever. Get it right. First wall lift, 4 meters. Vibrators running. Every operator watching the formwork. Formwork bowed 12 millimeters mid-pour. Thicker wall means the road shrinks. Fix it. Extra tie rods installed mid-pour while concrete still flowing. The formwork stopped moving. Walls saved. 6-degree Dutch nights. Concrete needs warmth to cure. Blankets on every surface. Second lift. Water stop strip at the joint. Water always finds the joint first. PVC water stop in every joint. Water reaches the joint. The water stop stops it.
That joint has a PVC water stop inside it. Been stopping water since 1999.
Roof formwork, 19 meters span. Holds tons of wet concrete above the road. 200 steel props, each adjusted to exact height. Wrong height. The roof sags. Props sank 18 millimeters. Water pools in low spots. Boats scrape. Fix the level. Optical level used. Every prop adjusted. 3 millimeters tolerance over 25 meters. Pass. Roof rebar placed from inside looking down. Every bar at exact cover. Tied. Central pump. Concrete spreads both ways equally. Asymmetric pour tips the falsework. 12-hour roof pour. Engineers below watching dial gauges for any falsework movement.
Hour 7, pump stops. Hydraulic seal failure. Concrete stiffening. Cold joint forming. Go!
Standby pump arrived in 52 minutes. Cold joint avoided by 8 minutes. That close.
Somewhere above me, where the pump failed mid-pour. I cannot find it.
Formwork struck. Engineers with torches checking every centimeter. Minor surface voids found. Repaired. Accepted. Top surface, vacuum blasted, primed, 2 waterproof layers. This surface carries the lake. No shortcuts. 50 millimeter protective screed over the waterproofing. Protects the membrane from boats, anchors, and maintenance. Chain drag found hollow screed in 2 spots. Delaminated, both sections removed. Cut out, membrane intact. New screed. Chain drag retest. Passed. Done. Drainage handles any water that gets through. Nothing collected in 22 years. Perfect. Asphalt roller inside a concrete box. Road matched perfectly. Drivers feel nothing.
Normal road, normal asphalt, just happens to have a lake for a ceiling.
Wall-mounted lights calibrated so drivers don't go blind entering the dip. All sensors connect to Delft. Moisture detected. Alarm fires in 30 seconds. Walkways on both sides. Stand above the road while a boat sails past. Yellow buoys mark entry. Depth gauge visible. Over 3 meters draft. Turn around. 47 snagging items. 47 resolved. Everyone signed off. Then open the lake. 48-hour water test. 3 meters above the road. Every engineer on site watching. Damp patch on the road during test. Small, but there. South wall joint. Camera showed a tiny void beside the water stop. Concrete missed that spot. Polyurethane resin injected under pressure. Void filled. Joint sealed. Retested under full water head. Dry. 72-hour extended test after repair. Every sensor dry. Road surface dry. Certificate signed. It's watertight.
This joint failed the water test in 2001. Fixed, retested. Then the lake opened.
Cofferdam out. Lake water enters the channel. Everyone on site stops, just watches. Water rises to 3 meters. Channel holds. Road below. Dry. Very first time.
Cofferdam out. Lake water enters the channel. Everyone on site stops, just watches.
Road marking machine runs straight through without stopping. To the machine, it's just another road. First boat test. Skipper looked down at the road, turned to his crew. Silence. Heavy trucks below. Deflection measured above, 1.2 millimeters. Design limit was 15 millimeters. It barely moved. 2 inspection teams, same structure, same time. 1 below, 1 above. Both reported pass. 2002. Night test. Lighting measured by photometer. Every lux confirmed. Drivers must see the transition clearly. All pumps tested individually. All alarms triggered. Delft confirms receipt of every alert. Systems live. Landscaping done. Viewing platform installed. Information signs up. The site is Rijkswaterstaat now.
Car below me, boat behind me, standing on water. In the Netherlands, naturally. Subscribe now for our hard work.